How to fix the issue with images not being downloaded on WhatsApp application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with WhatsApp application if your images are not being downloaded. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, we need to make sure that WhatsApp application on our device is up to date. So for that, open Google Play Store and then search for WhatsApp application. After you do so, if you see the option of update, click on it. Now while your application is being updated, let's clear its cache, as sometimes collected cache can affect the performance of application. So tap and hold and click on App Info. After you do so, you will see the option of storage. Click on it and then click on Clear Data. Then choose the option of Clear Cache, and then now your cache has been cleared. And now you're good to go. Your WhatsApp has been updated, the cache has been cleared, and now if you try to download any image on your WhatsApp, it will be downloaded. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.